Hello everyone! Welcome back to Home Remedy Rescue, the place where we turn your home into a haven using only the most natural and simple ingredients. If you're new to our channel, we're thrilled to have you here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on the latest videos where we share valuable content each week. We're always grateful for your support and engagement. Today, we're setting out on a special cleaning quest. We're harnessing the powerful forces of 5 natural cleaning agents: eucalyptus, tea tree, vinegar, lemon, and baking soda. These aren't just your ordinary household items. These are powerful cleaning and disinfecting tools for helping to keep a home smelling wonderful and germ-free. Do you often find yourself battling stubborn stains or unpleasant odors? Tired of chemical-filled cleaners that burn your nose or make you dizzy? Then you have come to the right place. In this video, we'll share our top-secret recipes to transform these humble ingredients into effective natural cleaners. From creating refreshing air sprays, deodorizing carpets, making your windows sparkle, and giving your bathroom tiles a new lease on life, we've got you covered. Be sure to watch for our 4th and most powerful home cleaning recipe. You don't want to miss out. The best part about these herbal remedies is that they're not only easy to make and environmentally friendly, but also cost-effective. Imagine having a cleaner, fresher, and more welcoming home without having to splurge on expensive, chemical-laden products. So grab your apron, roll up your sleeves, and get ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine. By the end of this video, your home will smell like a refreshing forest, your surfaces will shine like new, and you'll wonder why you didn't switch to natural cleaning sooner. Before we delve into these natural home remedies for keeping your home clean, we invite you to explore the link in the description for one of our top recommendations to enhance your overall health, quality of life, and happiness. Now, let's get started. Here is a short explanation of each of our powerful natural ingredients with antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that can be used for cleaning purposes. Eucalyptus oil. It is a great disinfectant and can be used to clean most surfaces. Tea tree oil. This oil has antimicrobial, antifungal, and disinfectant properties. It can be mixed with water and used as a cleaning spray. Lemon. The citric acid in lemons helps to kill bacteria and viruses. Lemon also leaves a fresh, clean scent. Vinegar. This is a staple in natural cleaning. It's effective for killing most mold, bacteria, and germs due to its level of acidity. Baking soda. It's a great natural cleaner and can be used to clean, deodorize, and scour surfaces. What about garlic? We have only good things to say about garlic. It's a powerhouse of natural health benefits and at-home natural remedies. It also has powerful antifungal and antimicrobial properties, which make it great for cleaning. However, some people don't like the smell of garlic. If you want to use a natural plant-based method to clean surfaces at home that kills germs and bacteria and leaves a delightful scent that isn't garlic after use, we've got you covered. Our last and most powerful cleaning recipe can be made with garlic, which we will give details about later in the video. Here are 4 fantastic, all-natural cleaning solutions that you can easily make at home. Remember, each one is very effective in its own right. All-purpose cleaner. Ingredients: 2 cups of white vinegar, 2 cups of water, 1 lemon, 20 drops of tea tree oil. Combine 2 cups of white vinegar, 2 cups of water, the juice of 1 lemon, and 20 drops of tea tree oil in a spray bottle. Give it a good shake. Vinegar is a fantastic disinfectant and deodorizer, while lemon adds a refreshing scent and has natural antibacterial properties. Tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic, helping to kill off those pesky germs. Window and mirror cleaner. Ingredients: half a cup of white vinegar, half a cup of water, 10 drops of eucalyptus oil, Mix half a cup of white vinegar, half a cup of water, and 10 drops of eucalyptus oil in a spray bottle. Shake well before each use. Eucalyptus oil not only smells great, but also has natural antifungal properties. Natural Carpet Deodorizer. Ingredients: 1 cup of baking soda, 10 drops of tea tree oil, 10 drops of eucalyptus oil. Mix 1 cup of baking soda with 10 drops each of tea tree and eucalyptus oil. Sprinkle this mixture over your carpets. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, then vacuum as usual. The baking soda absorbs odors, while the essential oils leave a fresh, clean scent. Before we delve into our 4th home remedy for keeping your home clean, we invite you to explore the link in the description for one of our top recommendations to enhance your overall health, quality of life, and happiness. Now, let's get started. Kitchen disinfectant. Ingredients: 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil, 2/3 teaspoon of eucalyptus or lemon oil. Instructions: pour the vinegar and water into a spray bottle, add the tea tree oil and eucalyptus or lemon oil, secure the lid on the bottle, and shake well to combine the ingredients. Before each use, shake the bottle to ensure the solution is well mixed. Spray onto the surface you wish to clean, then wipe with a clean cloth. Remember to spot test a small hidden area first to ensure the cleaner doesn't discolor or damage the surface. Also, use caution with essential oils as they can be potent. Do not apply them directly to the skin without dilution, and avoid inhaling them in large quantities. Our final recipe is perfect for keeping your kitchen surfaces germ-free. The power duo of vinegar and tea tree oil, along with lemon essential oil, combined with water, creates an effective and natural disinfectant. After combining these into a spray bottle, give it a good shake, and you're ready to tackle those kitchen germs. Tea tree oil is known for its powerful antimicrobial properties. It can kill a wide range of bacteria and fungi. Vinegar acts as a disinfectant and deodorizer, while lemon oil leaves a fresh, uplifting scent. Here's how to make this kitchen disinfectant with garlic. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, half a cup of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of freshly crushed garlic, 10 drops of lemon essential oil. Instructions: add the crushed garlic to the vinegar and allow it to infuse for several weeks. Store in a cool, dark place. After the infusion period, strain out the garlic and mix the garlic-infused vinegar and lemon essential oil with water. Pour the solution into a spray bottle for use and shake thoroughly for use as a cleaning agent. Garlic indeed has a strong antimicrobial and antifungal properties due to its active ingredient, allicin. However, it's not commonly used as a cleaning agent due to its strong odor and potential to stain surfaces. Moreover, garlic can be irritating when it comes into contact with skin or eyes, so care should be taken when handling it. Remember, natural remedies may take a little more time to work compared to some chemical cleaners, but they're safer, eco-friendly, and kind to your skin and senses. Plus, they leave your home smelling fantastic. So, why not give them a try and tell us how it went? One of the powerhouse ingredients you may have noted in our recipes was eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is a plant native to Australia that has been used in traditional medicine for its medicinal properties. The leaves and oil of the eucalyptus plant are used to make medicine. Here are a few potential medicinal applications and home remedies: coughs and respiratory issues. One of the most well-known uses of eucalyptus is to help with respiratory problems. When eucalyptus oil is inhaled, it can help to loosen phlegm, relieve coughs, and aid in other respiratory conditions. Some people use eucalyptus oil in a diffuser or humidifier to help clear sinus and lung congestion. Home remedy: Add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to a bowl of hot water, place a towel over your head, and inhale the steam. This can help clear your nasal passages and relieve congestion, pain, and inflammation. Eucalyptus has anti-inflammatory and analgesic qualities that can help relieve pain and inflammation. It's often used in ointments and liniments for muscle pain and arthritis. Home remedy: mix a few drops of eucalyptus oil with a carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba oil, and massage it into the affected area. Dental health: eucalyptus is antibacterial and can help prevent the buildup of bacteria that causes plaque, gum disease, and other dental issues. Home remedy: some people use a drop of eucalyptus oil on their toothpaste before brushing, but this should be done with caution, as ingesting too much eucalyptus oil can be toxic. Wound care: the antibacterial properties of eucalyptus can also be helpful in treating minor cuts and wounds. Home remedy: dilute eucalyptus oil with a carrier oil and apply it to the wound. This should help keep the area clean and prevent infection. Insect repellent: eucalyptus oil is commonly used as a natural insect repellent. Home remedy: mix eucalyptus oil with a carrier oil and apply it to your skin to deter mosquitoes and other insects. Please note that while eucalyptus can have health benefits, it should be used carefully. Eucalyptus oil can be toxic if ingested in sufficient quantities and can interact with certain medications. Always dilute eucalyptus oil before using it on your skin to prevent irritation, and use it in a well-ventilated area. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Click subscribe and the notification bell to get more videos on the best home remedies and health tips. And there you have it. We've explored the power of nature's best cleaners: eucalyptus oil, tea tree oil, vinegar, lemon, and baking soda, and have seen how they can truly transform our homes. We've concocted all-natural cleaners, battled stubborn stains, eliminated odors, and made our homes not just cleaner, but healthier and more eco-friendly. Remember, every ingredient we use today is a gift from nature, safe for you, your loved ones, and our planet. It's time to say goodbye to those harsh chemicals and welcome these natural superheroes into our homes. Trust me, your home and your wallet will thank you. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's spread the word about natural cleaning solutions. Thank you so much for watching and spending this time with us. We can't wait to share more natural home remedies with you. See you in the next video. Be well and take care.